It's the day the winner picks up his new Platinum. We're gonna get that started up here. Instantly kicked into high idle. And we're gonna get this truck started up. This thing's a lot louder. Okay guys, so we're here at the property now, the revealing site for this beautiful 2017 F-250 to Mitch, the winner of this truck. And to be clear guys, yes, this is legit. I am not related to the guy. I've never met the guy, never seen his face before, but he won this truck. Okay, that's the way we do it. It's all real, 100% bonded, registered, USA and Canada. I mean, you can enter to win these trucks, and this is just absolutely mind-blowing that we can do this still. Like, it's still, like, it's just crazy to me every time it happens. But we do them every month, and there's another one coming up in just about a week, so stay tuned for that. Got a nice hoodie on. Nice to meet you, Malachi.
I think he was more excited when he found out.
Oh yeah?
How long have you been watching this too?
Oh yeah? That's awesome.
You getting out with her?
It is really cool out here.
She did not want to go to bed this morning. We had to drive around in the parking lot at 4 o'clock this morning. She did not want to go to bed. I'm like, come on, kid. Waiting. It's been killing me.
It's been the longest, like, 10 days ever.
You know, when I got the call, I'm like, man, I know how it is, you know, when I'm waiting for truck parts or whatever in the mail, and I'm just like, this is going to drive me absolutely nuts. I'm like, it's going to drive me nuts.
Ready?
Oh yeah, he's ready.
I wanted to open my own towing company and this, that, and the other, and it was like, I started looking at trucks and I'm like, wow, these things are not cheap. I didn't think they would be, but I think it's more expensive to repair them than it is to buy them. It's just crazy. Yeah. I just never expected it to be that expensive. Just even the insurance, it's outrageous.
Oh, I can't wait to get this one off my
Nervous.
Oh, I know.
When I seen you made the video about, you know, no more deletes and all this, I'm like,
It sucks. Trust me.
yeah, I seen the video and I'm like, oh. But no, everybody that knows me knows, like, I'm a huge Cummins fan. That's pretty much all the diesels I've ever owned besides, like, a 7.
Oh, yeah?
My brother, like, when he found out he's got a newer Cummins like yours, he's like, why'd you pick the Ford? I'm like, I said, I gotta look at it from a family aspect. I mean, I have a kid, you know, I do a lot of driving. I'm like, you know, I've had 12 valves, I've had second gens with car seats, and it don't work out. It's a pain. And especially, like, I had one, it was on like 13 inches of lift, and just trying to get her in and out of it, just a nightmare. And like I said on the phone, that dramatic rolling shot video, like, everywhere I went, it was there. And I'm like, it didn't matter what social media I opened, it was there. The second gen was there, and then it went straight to the Ford, and I'm like, I'm not a Ford guy, but man, is that truck good. It just looks good.
Oh, they drive good too. You're gonna love that.
I open Facebook, it's there. I open YouTube, it's there. Instagram, it's there. I'm like, I looked at her, I said, I'm gonna get myself in trouble. Like, I seen in the one video, the guy said, you know, are they playing a prank on me? And I'm like,
I just limited.
Yeah. I'm just like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to think. You know, it's like, and like you said, you know, this doesn't happen to people, so they don't know how to react, and it's like,
some people don't get that though.
You know, I'm like speechless. It's like, how do you express winning something like this? Like after I got off the phone with the lawyer, like, I ran in the room, I woke her up, and I'm like, I won. And she's like, are you serious? And I'm like, yeah, I won. And I'm like, I don't know how. I never win anything, but I won. And like, I was telling my dad about it, and he's like, you know, I showed him the trucks, and I'm like, you know, which one would you choose? And he's not a Ford person, like, by any means. You know, he's always been Chevy or Dodge. He goes, you know, it's a good looking Dodge. He goes, it really is. He goes, but you got to ask yourself, is it practical? You know, with having a kid. And I said, practical or not, that's still a good looking Dodge. Like, yeah, like I said, I've had tons of second gens, and it's like, and then I started thinking about what he said, and I started thinking about, you know, all the issues I had with car seats and an extended cab and everything else. And then I looked at him and I said, you know, I said, you're going to say that. I said, but you're the one that wanted to buy my OBS and just park it in the driveway.
Talking about not practical.
You know, and not practical and not liking Ford, but you wanted my OBS just to have it, just to park it in the driveway and look at it. And I said, and then I started, you know, before I filled out the paper and I sent it back to him, I like took a good long look at both trucks. I don't know what it was, something just pulled me towards it more, and I think it was just the fact that it was a crew cab.
Yeah.
You know, not even the fact that it's a platinum or it's loaded out or the wheels. I think it was just the fact that it was a crew cab, it had more room. You know, it was more of a functional daily driver.
Yeah.
Versus, you know, a lifted second gen.
Like a cool, big,
you know,
meaty, wide, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that thing's huge.
You know, and I've been there, and I like I said, I've had, you know, the big wide trucks, and yeah, it's cool. You know, everywhere you go, you know, people say they love the truck, but as practical as a family vehicle or a daily driver, it's not something I'd want it daily. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love a 5-speed, you know, just like everybody else. You know, it's fun, but it's just, I wouldn't want to drive a manual every day.
Do you want to know how to use the massaging seats?
Sure.
Come on. We gotta show how. So every truck should have this feature because that's what makes it a man's truck, right? Long day at work at the tow company, gets back in his truck, massaging seats will kick on with this button. It'll just like go up and down. It's amazing. Best massage ever.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a while to get used to this.
For the back seat, you've got all this. This stuff will flip out if you need hard storage so you're not like scratching up your carpet and stuff. It does have 2 USB ports. It has a 110 outlet. It's got your standard 12 volt and heated seats on both sides.
Oh, the rears are even heated?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Looking at them pictures and like looking at different pictures that you posted, and I'm like, my heart tells me to take the second gen, but my mind tells me to take the platinum. I'm like, why can't I just have them both? Like, why can't that be an option?
So congratulations, Mitch. I
Thanks.
appreciate you entering a giveaway and supporting us. I love the hoodie. It's awesome.
yeah.
Like I said, thank you so much. Appreciate it. I try to tell a lot of people, it's like, even if you don't end up winning, you have to understand this. You made it possible for somebody else to make their dream come true, but it just happened to work out in your favor this time.
Yeah.
You say this is actually the first giveaway you entered?
Yeah, it was first
Crazy.
giveaway, and I think the limited giveaway was the first video I actually seen. I think it
It's
was kind of
crazy.
the first time I stumbled upon the channel. I never expected to win, being that it was my first giveaway, you know, but hey, you never know until you try.
Can't win unless you try. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Enjoy the truck. There she goes. Well, everybody, we are back in the truck here with our little bear. That's his name. Bear, little golden retriever. She just had to have a little golden puppy, so. But anyways, guys, another giveaway in the books, and another one will be coming up very soon. And he was super excited to get his truck, of course. I mean, who wouldn't be? And he was like, man, I was so torn. Second gen platinum, second gen platinum, second gen platinum. He's like, and I understand like platinum's worth more than the second gen. He's like, but it's hard to find second gens. He's like, and I guess to somebody who doesn't love and appreciate second gens, you know, like I do, he's like, you just find this deep appreciation for something that wasn't like, you know, 10 different truck panels splotched together and just painted to fit and make it look original, but it actually wasn't a rust-free original truck. He's like, that's why I wanted that truck, because I knew it was just hard to find, you know what I mean? Like, they're just not easy to find that are actually original condition, and that's what he likes about them when they are like that. And I said, finally somebody who understands that there's more to it than just this truck's worth more, you can buy a second gen any day. He's like, okay, I get that, but he's like, one that's right in front of you, you can go pick it up, you know it's original, you know it's a great truck, and it's free. Free as in like no expense payments in addition to whatever he had to pay to buy the merch, you know what I'm saying, in terms of getting the truck. So it was just one of those things, but he did go with the Platinum. Of course, you guys saw that, and he's just super happy about it. He's liking it more and more. The more we were talking about it, the more he's liking it and happy with his choice, which why wouldn't he be? It's a great truck. We're gonna get on the road here. He's got to take his nap. He's probably gonna head off the back seat or come join us up front. I don't know. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. New giveaway announcement coming January 1st. Loud and Proud Diesel Giveaway 11 coming at you. Thank you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.